Ever wondered how to transform your mobile device into a portable entertainment hub with IPTV? Today, we're revealing how to effortlessly get IPTV running on your phone for endless entertainment. First, let's discuss the right app to use for your IPTV experience on a smartphone. Search and download a trusted IPTV app from your respective app store for ultimate compatibility. Next, ensure your phone settings are optimized before you begin the IPTV installation process. To enhance performance, connect your phone to a reliable Wi-Fi network or consider using data wisely. Now, head over to 2tv.store, our recommended provider known for exceptional IPTV service. 2tv.store offers an extensive range of channels, perfect for TV and film lovers on the move. Download the playlist or unique credentials provided, then input them into your IPTV app carefully. Once configured, open the app to access a world of vibrant, dynamic channels at your fingertips. Discover endless options available, from live sports to on-demand movies, all through IPTV. With 2tv.store, reliability is ensured as channels load swiftly, providing uninterrupted streaming pleasure. Experience potential in serving up HD content, or even explore channels you never thought existed. Your phone becomes an entertainment powerhouse, ready to accompany you wherever, whenever. That's it. Say hello to expansive IPTV variety on your phone, thanks to 2tv.store. Enjoy endless media possibilities now. Subscribe and comment which IPTV channel you're excited to watch.